Welcome to Weight Loss Feast. I'm Dr. Robert. Today I will tell you about the Body Mass Index, or BMI. Are you curious about what your BMI is and what it means for your health? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know about BMI and how it can be used as a tool for achieving your health goals. So, let's get started. What is Body Mass Index? Your body mass index, or BMI, is a calculation that takes into account your height and weight and provides a numerical value that can help you assess your health status. BMI can be a useful tool in determining whether you are at a healthy weight, underweight, overweight, or obese. How is BMI calculated? BMI is calculated by dividing your weight by your height squared. This calculation takes into account both your height and weight, giving you a score that can be used to assess your health status. What can BMI tell you about your health? BMI can provide some insight into your health status. Generally speaking, a BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered healthy. A BMI below 18, the 5th of may, indicate that you are underweight, while a BMI above the 25th of May indicate that you are overweight or obese. However, it's important to remember that BMI is not a perfect measure of health, and there are other factors that should be taken into account. What are the limitations of BMI? While BMI can provide some insight into your health status, it's important to remember that it's not a perfect measure. BMI does not take into account factors such as body composition, muscle mass, or age, which can all impact your health. For example, a very muscular person may have a high BMI, even though they are not overweight or obese. Similarly, an older person may have a higher BMI due to changes in body composition that occur with age. It's also important to remember that BMI does not take into account where your body fat is stored. Research has shown that people who carry excess fat around their waist may be at a higher risk of health problems than those who carry excess fat around their hips and thighs. How can you use BMI to make informed decisions about your health? While BMI is not a perfect measure of health, it can still be a useful tool for assessing your health status. If your BMI falls within the healthy range, this may indicate that you are at a healthy weight. However, if your BMI is outside of the healthy range, it may be a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to develop a plan for achieving a healthy weight. This may involve making changes to your diet and exercise routine, or working with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized plan for achieving your health goals. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to understanding your body mass index. By using this tool and working with healthcare professionals, you can make informed decisions about your health and achieve your health goals. Remember that BMI is just one of many factors to consider when it comes to your health, and it's important to look at other factors as well, such as body composition and waist circumference. By working with a healthcare professional and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can use your BMI as a tool for achieving your health goals. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you found this guide helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, take care of your health and keep striving for your wellness goals.